Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12 Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 7 of Chapter 3, Advanced JavaScript. In our last part, we have seen one important built-in object, math object, and the methods of math object. Also, we have discussed about the methods of math object with one example and the output of that example. Now we are going to start our next important object, number object. Number object helps us to work with numbers. Primitive values like 34 or 3.14 cannot have properties and methods, but with JavaScript it is available with primitive values. The table shows property and description. First property is in capital letter mean underscore value. It returns the largest minimum value. Next property is max underscore value. It returns the largest maximum value. And third property of number object is NaN, where A is small. It represents not a number value. So these are the properties of number object. This table shows the methods of number object. First method is integer, where I is capital. Integer method determines whether the given value is a integer. Next method is parse float, where F is capital. Parse float method converts the given string into a floating point number. Third method is parse int, where I is capital. Parse int method converts the given string into a integer number. And last method of number object is fixed, where F is a capital letter. It returns the string that represents a number with exact digit after a decimal point. So this is regarding properties of number object and methods of number object. Student, please note, integer method is supported by version Mozilla Firefox 16 and higher. These are some examples of integer function. If you pass 1 to 3, it returns true. If you pass -1 to 3, it returns true. If you pass 5-2, it returns true. If you pass 0, it returns true. If you pass 0.5, it returns false. If argument is 1 to 3 in single quote, it returns false. If argument you pass is false, it returns false. If you pass infinity in this function, it returns false. If you pass minus infinity in this function, it returns false. And if you pass 0 by 0, it will return false. Let's see one example of integer. The example is given in our 12th standard textbook. The program, validation program in JavaScript. Write doc type HTML, open HTML tag, head tag, title tag, having the title pin code validation, close title, close head. The next line, open body tag, style equal to color blue, background dash color can. Open form tag, having the name, form name equal to form1. In next line, h1 align equal to center to display the content in a center. Next line, write label, enter pin code value. use input tag. Input type equal to text, name equal to t1. Here the name of text box is t1. Use 2 times br tag. In next line, define one button by using input tag. Input type equal to button. Value means caption of that button is submit value. Event is on click. Call one function, validate function, close h1. Now here script tag is used in a body tag. So open script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. In next line, define function. Function, which function? Validate function. The function having the name validate. Open curly braces. Declare one variable, pin code. Initialize pin code as pin code equal to form1.t1.value, means whatever you entered in t1 text box which is assigned to a variable pin code. Then check the value by using if else statement. If pin code dot length is equal to 0, then execute the statement. Alert, please check enter value form1.t1.focus. Here text box always return a string value, so ultimately the value of variable pin code is string, so you can apply a length property on the variable pin code. In next line, write else if number dot is integer, pass pin code variable. Then alert, please enter integer numbers only, form1.t1.focus. Here is integer method of number object is used. If the pin code is not a number, it alerts the message, please enter integer number only, and focus goes to the text box t1. Next line, close the curly braces, write else if pin code dot length is less than 6, or here or logical operator is used, or pin code dot length is greater than 8. If it occurs, write the alert message, alert pin code length range between 6 to 8, form1.t1.focus. Else, alert pin code is accepted. Close script, close body and close HTML. Save the program and run on the browser. You will get this screen as output where label is enter pin code value, one text box and one button having the label submit value. If you enter 1 2 3, or if you enter 1 2 3 4 and press that button, click that button, you will get the message pin code length range between 6 to 8, because the entered value is 1 2 3 4, means 4 numbers, and in program we have given the value should be greater than 6 and less than 8. Let's see another example of is integer method. Right, doc type HTML, HTML head title, close head. If you want to give the title or head, insert it. In next line, open body tag. Next line, use script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. Close script, close body and close HTML. So this is a overall structure of our program. Continue the program by writing var num, declare one variable num equal to parse int, prompt enter any value. In next line, write document.write enter data is a whole number, use plus operator, write num close script, close body and close HTML. When you save and execute the program on browser, you will get this output. Output shows one text box and two button OK and cancel of alert function. If you enter 25.4568, you will get 25. Why you will get 25? Because here of date object and array object, properties and methods of array object. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.